I can see we're thinking about the same things. Yes, I see your expression when the phone rings. We both know there's something happening here. There's no sense in dancing around the subject. A wound gets worse when it's treated with neglect. Well, don't turn now, there's nothing here to fear. You can talk to me. Talk to me. You can talk to me. You can set your secrets free, baby. Dusty words lying under carpets, seldom heard. Well, must you keep your secrets locked inside, hidden deep from view? Do I seem all that hard? Is it all that done? Now I show you all my cards. Well, isn't that enough? You can have your hurt, but there's something you can do. You can talk to me. You can talk to me when you're down now. You can talk to me. Talk to me. Though we lay face to face and cheek to cheek, our voices stray from common ground where they could meet. The walls run high. Too bad.